Good afternoon, all. In the previous class, we were discussing about political environment, and we learned what political environment is, and we also gone through the roles and responsibilities of political environment. The roles played by the members in the political environment. And today we are going to see what are the elements of political environment. The political environment consists of mainly three elements, which plays a major role in the Indian scenario. The first element of political environment is called as the legislature. Legislature is something which is considered as the most powerful institution, or we can say legislature is something which creates the laws, policies, the rules of the country. നമ്മുടെ ഈ രാജ്യത്തെ നിയമങ്ങളെല്ലാം ക്രിയേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഇൻസ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂഷനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ ലെജിസ്ലേച്ചർ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. It is something which is most powerful. The legislature has a supreme power in the country because they are into creating the rules and regulations. They create policies. They create the budgets. So legislature is something which we can say as the ruling government, is the legislature of a particular country. So the first one is legislature, and the second one is something which is considered as the ruling government. So we learned that the legislature is something which is, the legislature is a body which creates the laws, the supreme power of the country, the legislature. And executive is the changing governments which come into existence for ruling the country. So executive is referred to as the government which is in power, the government which is in existence. They are the responsible parties for implementing the laws. And so for implementing the laws, the executive has the power to change the direction of or shape the laws and rules which is created by legislature. Legislature create ചെയ്യുന്ന ലോസിൽ ചെറിയ വേരിയേഷൻസ് വരുത്താനും ചെറിയ അഡ്ജസ്റ്റ്മെൻറ്റ്, ചെറിയ വ്യത്യാസങ്ങൾ വരുത്താനുമുള്ള റൈറ്റ് ആർക്കുണ്ട്? എക്സിക്യൂട്ടീവിനുണ്ട്. ആൻഡ് ഓൾസോ എക്സിക്യൂട്ടീവ് is something which has the power to control the business activities of the country. And so the executive is something which is referred to as the ruling government of the country. Last part is the judiciary. A judiciary is something which we all have belief in, or we came to hear that judiciary, law, the court is something which everyone has belief in. So what is judiciary? The judiciary constitutes the laws or the court which makes sure that the rules and regulations or laws which are set by the legislature are strictly followed by the executive. ലെജിസ്ലേച്ചർ സെറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്ന റൂൾസ് ആൻഡ് റെഗുലേഷൻസ്, അവർ സെറ്റ് ചെയ്ത ലോസ് കൃത്യമായിട്ട് ഗവൺമെൻറ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ റണ്ണിങ് ഗവൺമെൻറ്, റൂളിങ് ഗവൺമെൻറ് കൃത്യമായിട്ട് ആ കാര്യങ്ങൾ പാലിക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ, കൃത്യമായിട്ട് ആ കാര്യങ്ങൾ ഇംപ്ലിമെൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ടോ എന്ന് ഉറപ്പ് വരുത്തുന്ന ഒരു ബോഡിയാണ് വി കോൾ ഇറ്റ് ആസ് ദ judiciary. So their main responsibility is interpreting and applying the law which is created by the legislature. And also the judiciary is into settling the disputes between the government and business, between businesses, between employees and employers, between two individuals, between two companies. So the judiciary is something which is set up to make sure that the laws and rules which is set forward by the legislature is being strictly followed by the country.